With Rocket Spark, there are many options for editing the design of your site, colors, fonts, sizing, and more without having to know code. You can edit your site-wide design settings, which affects the design of these elements throughout your site, such as text, buttons, social icons, forms, your footer, and more. You can also edit the design settings for a specific stack, and this will override the site-wide settings. This is really handy if you want a particular section of a page to have a different look and feel. In the stack design settings, you can change the background color of a stack or add a picture background or even a video background. Any settings that you haven't edited at the stack level will fall back to the site-wide settings. The feature area has design settings for height adjustment, transitions, text styling, color overlay, and button styling. You can upload multiple pictures to make it a slideshow and reposition the image for each slide. All Rocket Spark websites are automatically optimized for mobile. You also have the option to edit the size of text and how certain blocks display on mobile. The picture block editor has a range of design options like text overlays, color tinting, shape options, mouse over effects, and more. At the top of the page are your logo and menu header. You can adjust the size of your logo and make various edits to the look of your menu. The header has the option of displaying a contact bar above it, which can include an email address, phone number, or other text. On mobile phones, if you've added a phone number, a phone icon will show with a tap to call.